Hi everyone, this video explains the basics of AC circuits. Electric power is generated, distributed and used as a sinusoidal voltages and currents in a great variety of commercial and domestic applications. Furthermore, in the industrial world, a vast number of small, medium, large-size AC power generators and loads are interlinked. Therefore, the design, operation, maintenance and management of such systems very much depend on a good understanding of AC circuit theory. The analysis of AC circuits involves the study of the behavior of the system under both normal and abnormal operating conditions. So we will see the basic terminologies in AC circuits. The first one is waveform. So waveform is a graphical representation of voltage, current, power and extra as a function of time. These quantities are generally periodic in nature. Periodic means the waves repeat after a constant interval of time. That is f of t is equal to f of t plus kt where k is an integer. This is called waveform. So basically a waveform is a graphical representation of electrical quantities like voltage, current, power and function of time. And the next one is period of the waveform. It is the time taken to complete one cycle of the waveform. And frequency, it is the number of cycles occurring in 1 second, and frequency is represented by the letter F and period is represented by the letter T. So the relation between F and T is F is equal to 1 by D. See, look at the pictures. It shows different types of waveforms: square waveform, sine waveform, cosine waveform and short tooth waveform and triangular waveform. So these are all alternating waveforms because it varies with respect to time. So from the diagram we can see, from the pictures we can see that the magnitude and polarity of the alternating signal changes with time. So this alternating signals can be alternating current signals or alternating voltage signals. So what are the advantages of using AC circuits? First thing is the copper loss. Copper loss in AC circuits is very less compared to DC circuits. And at low cost, the high AC voltage can be generated. So the AC voltage can be raised by using step-up transformer and it can be lowered by using step-down transformer. This is not the case of DC. So and also this AC transmission is economical and efficient. So AC motors are less cost and it needs less maintenance. So mostly sinusoidal signal is preferred in AC system. The main advantages of using sinusoidal signal is easy to generate and analysis. Instead of using triangular sawtooth waveforms, we prefer mostly sinusoidal only because of its easy analysis purpose. The integration and derivation of sinusoidal functions are also sinusoids. Without any distortion, the sinusoidal signal can be passed through a linear system. And an instantaneous value. It is the value of the alternating signal at a particular time instant. It is called instantaneous value. And cycle, it is the period or interval of time during which a complete set of non-repeating variations occur. This is called cycle, and it is also can be defined as the repetition of a set of positive and negative portion of the alternating quantity. Angular frequency. So the frequency which is measured in radians per second is called angular frequency and it is denoted by the letter omega. So the relation between frequency and angular frequency is omega is equal to 2 pi f. And amplitude, it is also called as a peak value. So the maximum value of an alternating signal during positive or negative half cycle, it is denoted by V suffix m or I suffix m. Peak to peak value, it is the waveform value from positive peak to negative peak. It is denoted by VPP or IPP. So both the values are shown in the figure. So by seeing the figure we can easily understand what is VM and VPP. So this is all about basics of AC circuits. Thank you.